4-bedroom townhouse with large lot area allow us to introduce this townhouse located near Mindanao Avenue, Quezon City. Few minutes away from SM North, Trinoma, and Cloverleaf Mall. Here are the details of this townhouse. At the entrance, here is our 2-car garage for your 2 large vehicles. At the ground floor, this is our living area. Then this is our dining area. Kasyang-kasya po ang 6-seater at 8-seater dining table. Then this is our L-type kitchen. At the back, this is our service area. Then this is our powder room. Then this is our helper's room. Okay, let's check naman po ang second floor. At the second floor, this is our master's bedroom. Maluwag po siya at kasyang-kasya po ang king size na bed. Then this is our master's toilet and bath. With cabinets, then this is our second bedroom. May sariling windows for your natural air and light at may sariling cabinet. Then along the hallway, meron po tayong open area for your natural air and light. Beside the open area, here's our third bedroom. May sariling windows at may sariling cabinets. Then lastly, here's our fourth bedroom. Para sa aming mga buyers, for this project, meron po kaming special offer. You'll get a free range hood and a cooktop when you buy this townhouse. For viewing schedule and inquiries, please message us, The Great Empire Realty, at our Viber number 0977-859-0581. Thank you very much and God bless po sa ating lahat.